KyyK5, my fun size favorite rapper here, just live in the studio, playing around with the flows. So let me know. Call me. You can pick up the phone. I won't hit that dial tone. Then you can leave me alone and stay gone. You can pick up the phone. I won't hit that dial tone. Then you can leave me alone and stay gone. Man, your number is blocked. Man, I need you to stop. Why you keep blowing me up? I said that was enough. You keep hitting my phone, but I need you to leave me alone. You keep hitting my phone, but I need you to leave me alone. You keep hitting my phone, but I need you to leave me alone. You keep hitting my phone, but I need you to leave me alone. I got your number blocked, but the calling won't stop. Why? I got your number blocked, but the calling won't stop. Why? I don't want to call the cops. Oh no, that is not what I'm about. Oh no, I need you to stop calling, yo. For sure. Cause I don't want to shout. That's not what I'm about. Oh no, you need to pick up the phone. I won't hit the dial tone. Then leave me alone. I need you to stay gone. I said if you pick up that phone, I won't hit the dial tone. But I need you to leave me alone. Then you can stay gone. Man, your number's blocked. I got your number blocked. Need the calling to stop. I got your number blocked. Please leave me alone. It's KyyK5.